Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we discuss about the topic problems of the conformal transformation. In the previous classes, we already discussed about the conformal transformation and some elementary transformation, that is uh, translation, transformation, magnification, translation, rotation, inversion and also reflection. Now we discuss about the problems. First problem, show that the transformation W is equal to 1 by Z transform to a circle or to a straight line. So 1 by Z means that represent the inversion. Okay. Now let us consider, here we have to show that Z is equal to 1 by Z transform a circle to a circle. From Z plane is given, that the Z plane is what is the figure? Circle. A circle is transformed to W plane in terms of circle, otherwise straight line. Let us consider given as W is equal to 1 by Z. Interchange means take the cross multiplication. Z is equal to 1 by W. What is Z? X plus Iy. What is W? U plus Iv. Here I is in the denominator, therefore apply the rationalization. After rationalization we get x plus iv is equal to u divided by u square plus v square minus I into v divided by u square plus v square. Now separate real part and imaginary part. Now consider in the z plane, what is the given image? Given image is a circle. Here they given only the circle. So we consider the equation of the circle. What is the equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard equation of the circle. Now substitute x value, y value in this case. What is x value? X value is a u divided by u square plus v square. What is y value? Minus v divided by u square plus v square. Substitute u divided by u square plus v square whole square minus v divided by u square plus v square whole square plus 2 into g into x value plus 2 into f into y value plus c is equal to 0. Simplify. After simplification, u square by u square plus v square whole square minus v whole square is a v square. Here u by u square plus v square, 2f into minus v can be written as minus 2fv. In all the cases, here in the 4 terms, u square plus v square is in a common. So take u square plus v square as in a common form. Wait. Here in first and second, u square plus v square whole square is present. Therefore, let us take 1 by u square plus v square whole square in from 1 and 2. After taking common function, what is the remaining? U square plus v square. So u square plus v square whole divided by u square plus v square whole square. 1 u square plus v square is get cancelled. Remaining is 1 by u square plus v square. Write second and third term as it is. Plus 2gu u square plus v square minus 2fv by u square plus v square plus c is equal to 0. Now here u square plus v square is in a common factor. Take u square plus v square and equating with 0. What we get? 1 plus 2gu minus 2fv. Here 1 c by 1 is there. Therefore multiply c into u square plus v square is equal to 0. This can be written as c times u square plus v square plus 2gu minus 2fv plus 1 is equal to 0. Now see here, this equation is in the form of this equation is in the form of what? Standard equation of circle. See here, cu square in the place of x we have cu means cu square plus cv square plus 2gu plus 2fv means minus 2fv is nothing but 2fy form. In the place of c we have 1. This represents the equation of the circle. Here we have the two cases. What is the two cases? If c is not equal to 0 and if c is not equal to 0. If c is not equal to 0, then this equation represents the circle in the W plane. Okay, because here what are the variables? U and V. This is the X and Y variable. So this is in Z plane. This is in W plane. If C is equal to 0, what? If C is equal to 0, this term will be vanishes. What is the remaining? 2GU minus 2FV plus 1 is equal to 0. Means it is in the form of AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0 means what? That represent the straight line. If C is equal to 0, the equation represents a straight line in W plane. Hence, W is equal to 1 by Z transforms from Z plane to W plane. It transforms circle to circle, otherwise circle to straight line. Okay, then we goes to the next problem. Show that transformation W is equal to 1 by Z transforms. First point, a line not passing through the origin in Z plane to a circle passing through the origin in W plane. In second case, we have to prove that a line through the origin in a line passing through the origin in Z plane to a line through the origin in W plane. Means here we show the two cases. One is a equation is not passing through the origin in Z plane. It is transformed to the circle is passing through the origin. Circle is passing through the origin. In second case, a line is passing through the origin in Z plane. Then it is a line passing through the origin in W plane. First we consider W is equal to 1 by Z. Here interchange, we get Z is equal to 1 by W. X plus Iy is equal to 1 by U plus Iv into rationalization term U minus Iv whole divided by U minus Iv. Now separate real part and imaginary part. Here real part is U divided by U square plus V square and imaginary part is minus V divided by U square plus V square. Treated this as a equation number 1. Now by using this one we can prove first part and second part. Consider first one. What is the first one? A line is not passing through the origin. A line is not passing through the origin means what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here c represent the interception. If C is in a 0, if C is in a 0, then it shows it is a passing through origin. Andre y is equal to mx plus c ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ c 0 ಆಯಿತು, interception 0 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೇನು it is passing through origin. If c is a exists, then it is not passing through origin. Therefore, we consider the general equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then substitute x value and y value. What is x here? U by u square plus v square. What is y here? Minus v divided by u square plus v square. Simplify. After simplification, we get c times u square plus v square plus au minus bv is equal to 0. This represents the circle. This represents the circle because we know that the alternative equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Here c is not present. Means constant is not present. If constant is not present, then that shows the circle is passing through the origin. The circle is passing through the origin. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2gx ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2fy ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದು. ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಆರಿಜಿನ್. Then consider equation of a line passing through the origin in Z plane. ಸೊ ನಾವು Z ಪ್ಲೇನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Z ಪ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಆ ಇಮೇಜು? ದಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈನ್. That line is passing through origin. Therefore, we consider ax plus by is equal to 0. Just compare first part and second part. In first part ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Interception is 0. Interception 0 ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು? It is passing through the origin. Now substitute x value, y value. After simplification, we get au minus bv is equal to 0. That is, au is equal to what? bv. A is equal to bv means y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx andre eno? It is in a straight line passing through the origin. Hence, this equation au is equal to bv represent a line passing through the origin in which plane? In W plane, because it is the variables are u and v. This is the process or proof. Third one, show that W is equal to a by z transforms the interior of the circle mod z is equal to mod a into the exterior of the circle mod w is equal to 1 in the W plane, and the exterior of the circle mod z is equal to mod a into the interior of the circle mod z is equal to 1. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎರಡು ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ W is equal to a by z ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗಿವನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ z ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮಾಡ್ ಎ. ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ z ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ ಎ ಅಂತ, ಇಂಟು ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ z ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಮಾಡ್ z ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ ಎ is transformed to the W plane like that. Mod W greater than 1 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾಡ್ z ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ ಎ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ W plane is nothing but mod W is less than 1 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Therefore, let us consider given. What is given? W is equal to a by z. Here interchange ಮಾಡೋಣ. So we take cross multiplication. Z is equal to a by w. Now let us consider first condition ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಏನಿದೆ? ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ z ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮಾಡ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಾಡ್ z ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ ಎ. ಮಾಡ್ z is less than what? ಮಾಡ್ ಎ. Here what is z? Here what is z here? a by w. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Mod of a by w less than mod a. By using the modulus property, or ಇದನ್ನೇನಂತೀವಿ? ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. By using amplitude, okay? By using the modulus, or sorry, absolute, okay? Modulus or magnitude or absolute, okay? By using the modulus property, mod of a by w can be written as mod a divided by mod w less than mod a. Mod a get cancelled. Remaining is 1 by mod w less than 1. Take the cross multiplication. 1 less than mod w. Otherwise, apply the negation. When we are applying the negation, we obtain mod w is greater than 1. Otherwise, here 1 by mod w less than 1. Take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 by mod w is mod w. Then when we are applying reciprocal, less than becomes a greater than. 1 by 1 gives 1. Hence, mod w greater than 1. That implies mod w means greater than 1 represent the exterior of the circle mod w is equal to 1. Hence, the interior of the circle mod z is equal to mod a is mapped or transformed into the exterior of the circle mod w is equal to 1 in the W plane. Next, we consider another one. What is another case here? Exterior of the mod z is equal to mod a. Means mod z greater than mod a. That is, what is z? A by w. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Mod of a by w is greater than mod a. That is, mod a divided by mod w is greater than mod a. That means mod a get cancelled. 1 by mod w is greater than 1. Take the reciprocal. 1 by mod w is a mod w. Reciprocal of greater than becomes less than, and 1 by 1 is 1. This shows the exterior. See here, mod z greater than. Mod z means this is a circle. Okay. The exterior of the circle is mapped into the interior of the circle in W plane. This is the solution of the given problem. We goes to the one more problem. Find the image of the line y is equal to 2x. Means y is equal to 2x means x and y plane is given. In the xy plane or in the z plane, y is equal to 2x is the image. Y is equal to 2x means what? Y is equal to 2x means it is in a straight line passing through origin. Passing through what? Passing through the origin. Under the transformation, w is equal to 1 by z. ಈಗ ನಾವು w plane ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Let us consider w is equal to 1 by z, or z can be written as 1 by w. Now substitute w and z value. X plus iy is equal to 1 by u plus iv. Apply u plus iv rationalization term, that is u minus iv divided by u minus iv. X plus iy is equal to u divided by u square plus v square minus I into v divided by u square plus v square. Rationalization means u plus iv into u minus iv can be written as u square minus iv whole square. I square is in a minus 1. So minus minus comes, when comes the plus sign, u square plus v square. So now separate real part and imaginary part. X is equal to u divided by u square plus v square, and y is equal to what? Minus v divided by u square plus v square. Now let us consider the z plane image. What is the z plane image? Line, straight line, y is equal to 2x. Now substitute y value, x value. What is y value? Minus v divided by u square plus v square. What is x value? X is a u divided by u square plus v square. Substitute here, then solve. Here, see, denominator is same, so denominator is get cancelled. Remaining is minus v is equal to 2u. That is 2u plus v is equal to 0, or we write v is equal to minus 2u. V is equal to minus 2u means nothing but it is in a straight line. It is in a straight line passing through origin. Here, this is the diagram. This is the image of the z plane. This image is located to in the w plane like that. Here y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x means it is in a straight line passing through the origin. Y is positive, x is positive means which quadrant? First quadrant. Here v is equal to minus 2u. V is equal to minus 2u, or minus v is equal to what? 2u. That can be read like that. Minus v is equal to 2u means which quadrant? This is the quadrant. Okay. In the fourth quadrant, this image inverted to the fourth quadrant. This is an exercise problem. These are the reference books. Thank you.